Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm David from the HooterReview.com team. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video. I provide all the information about this new product. What exactly is this product? Outstanding features, how to use it in detail, and my experience. Who should buy this product? How to apply this product in your daily work and make money from it. Regarding the price policy, the upsells that the seller provides in this sale. Is there an all-in-one bundle offer? My discount codes will save you a lot of money, and especially as my team's gratitude to the readers, as well as to those who purchase through my website or through this video, I have a lot of attractive and valuable bonuses for you. Check them out at the end of the product review on my website HooterReview.com by following the link in the description. I am sure you will not be disappointed with those bonuses and they will help you increase the profits you earn. Be sure to send me a message to email HooterReviewBonus@gmail.com and I will send them to you within 24 hours. Next, let's explore this product.